Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet this quick and easy wind spinner. It's such a fun little project, and it'll add a lovely breezy touch to your garden or your balcony decor. I really hope you find this tutorial helpful, and maybe even a little inspiring too. If you're looking for more patterns or written tutorials you can follow at your own pace, feel free to check out my website, crochetstrends.com. There's lots of cozy inspiration waiting for you there. And don't be afraid to get creative with this project. These wind spinners look beautiful in any color combo, and in any length you prefer. I'll guide you through everything, all the counts, all the measurements, step by step, nice and easy. It's a soft blend, 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. But honestly, use whatever yarn you love working with. For this one, I'm using a medium weight 5-ply yarn. I'll be using a 2.20mm crochet hook, but you can totally go with a different size, whatever fits your yarn best. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot, and it helps the channel grow. All right then, if you're ready, let's get started. All right, to start the wind spinner, let's begin with a simple slip knot. Then crochet 95 chains. But hey, don't pull them too tight. These 95 chains should measure around 38 centimeters. But honestly, no pressure. If it's a little more or less, that's totally fine. Just chain as long as you'd like your spinner to be. My suggestion? Try 40, 45, or even 50 centimeters. They all turn out really nicely. Just a heads up though, the number of chains might vary depending on your yarn thickness or hook size. Now, go into the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet in each stitch. Keep it steady, just like that, all the way to the end. As you finish your last single crochet, go ahead and switch to your second color. Chain 2, turn your work, and snip the yarn from the first color. Now let's dive in. Go into that very first stitch and make a half double crochet. Chain 1, and one more half double crochet in the same spot. In the next stitch, do the same thing. Half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. All in the same space. Let's do that again, into the next stitch. Half double crochet. Chain 1, and half double crochet. You're doing great. Just keep going with that V-stitch pattern, placing one in the top of each single crochet until you reach the end of the row. End of. Let's finish off this row with one more V-stitch. So go ahead, make a half double crochet, chain 1, and then another half double crochet right into that final stitch. After that, chain 1 and snip your yarn. Then grab your third color. We're starting fresh, from the top of the row. Just a quick note. You'll only change colors at the end of the row when going from round 1 to round 2. But for rounds 3 and 4, you'll start with your new color right at the beginning of the row. Okay, Let's join your yarn into the center of that very first V-stitch. Chain 3, and make 2 treble crochets right in that same space. Next, go right into the center of the next V-stitch, and make 3 treble crochets. Just like that. Now into the following V-stitch. Same thing, 3 treble crochets right in the middle. Keep going. Make 3 treble crochets in every V-stitch from the row below. And in the very last V-stitch, let's make 3 more treble crochets, just like before. Chain 1, then go ahead and cut your yarn. All right, now we'll start fresh with our 4th color, right from the beginning. Leave a little bit of yarn, so you can hang your spinner later if you'd like. Then make a secure knot right at the end. Let's attach the yarn right into the top of that very first stitch. Chain 1, then slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1 and make another slip stitch into the next one. Chain 1, and once again, slip stitch into the next one. Just keep repeating this part. Chain 1, then slip stitch into each stitch, all the way to the end of the row. I've finished the entire edge of the spinner, using chain 1 and slip stitch all the way around. And at the very end, I made one last slip stitch, chained 1, and then cut the yarn. This right here is the spot where I'll attach the tassel later on. If you're enjoying this project, go ahead and give this video a like. Leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. I'd absolutely love to know how your spinner is turning out. Let me know in the comments. Seriously, I read everyone. Now, before we wrap things up, leave a bit of yarn at the end, just enough for hanging. Then tie a simple knot, right at the tip to finish it off. And that's everything I wanted to share in this little tutorial. I truly hope it was helpful, and that you enjoyed following along with me. Until next time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and maybe share it with someone who loves to crochet just like you. Take care, and happy crocheting!